Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel where I was still not used to saying that, but anyway, we're here. We're here right now, and I think it's time to finally post. It's been a minute. And the only reason it's been a minute is because I suck at content creation. I won't even lie. I'm very good at talking. I just suck at actually making the videos. I didn't know how to structure it. I tried using CapCut. I was just gonna like post a normal YouTube video with like edits and wada. But I'm like, there's a lot of overhead into learning stuff like that. I will get to that. I have to. If I'm gonna have this YouTube video, I have to have the skills that match what you're accustomed to as a consumer. I hate the word, but like, yo, y'all are coming to the channel for the content, and what do people do with content? They consume it. But anyway, as we hear right now, right? My big chat was like, okay, I just need to make this work. Don't know how, but this is what it is. So I'm just gonna play some of the clips that I've collected from the whole hackathon experience, and show you some of my notes, some of my projects. Yeah, such and such. You feel me? But anyway, let me just set up one more thing on my end, and then shouldn't even notice it. And right on. Wait, no, let me not ruin the surprise. Don't ruin the surprise. Should go right there. So if I um okay, sure thing. Let's get it started. So yeah, this is just like a Canva thing going on here on the side. I'm just gonna keep quiet. I'm gonna shut the. Oop, I almost swore. Hey, yeah, I promise myself I'm not gonna swear on this channel. I got a bad mouth. But anyway, I'm gonna keep quiet, cut the background music, and then get to it. And then, so what I do, raise the audio, trust it, trust the process. Feel me? And then do that, and then come right there, and then yeah. Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel, bro. It's Bad Wiki. You already know that. Just came back from a hackathon, bro. It was crazy. Like, this is just like a small little update because surprisingly, I've been working on two separate hackathons at once, and today's one was more so like for 24 hours. We built a web solution, I
And
hope
I'll
you
just
guys
try
can
and
still see
post
me,
the
like
GitHub just
down
so you guys
there.
can go see what that was all about.
But yeah,
We were building an application that was primarily based on like solving client needs in terms of like the administration was handling their processes manually, and it's like, yo, we were building, bro, and it's a fully, yeah, it's full stack because currently we set up the front end in React, and as you guys know me, I'm the master, the Java programmer. You feel me?
ooh, don't know
So
why it's
like,
glitching
I
out.
was so thrown out. I want to do a full recap when I get home, but like, this is just me walking home. You feel me? After a long 24 hours. It's currently around about 4 p.m. Saturday, the 21st. The hackathon is due tomorrow, Sunday.
That
I'm
was
not even close
another
to being done,
hackathon. Don't
but
worry.
I'm
I
gonna
was
post the
just yeah,
progress
I was
because I
tired
think
at
one
this
thing
point.
about
So
being a developer is just put it. It's all for the love of the game. I mean, are you really
yo, okay, so there's that part, right?
Welcome to my YouTube
Uh,
channel.
keep quiet. Alright, so that was just like a little walkthrough. I hope it went full screen. I'll check it out when I'm done with this. But like, yeah, that was just the first part. That was the AfriHack Connect hackathon where we were building a software solution, right? Nope, wrong window. And bring that up. So as you can see, the screen right here is where or what we were building, and then so yeah, this is the an application system where we are trying to like mitigate having to manually do this. So this is what we built. This is just the Figma that me and Franco were working on, the whole team, putting this together because me and Franco felt kind of like left field in terms of skills because everyone was using one solid stack, which is the MERN stack, MongoDB, ExpressJS, React, and Node.js. So now we just log into the thing and then exit. Okay, sure thing. Then I come in here. I'm like name, gender, residency, where you're currently staying, so on and so on. So this was a pretty good experience, like being able to actually build a software solution, getting to network and hack with other people was a beautiful time because I think the whole realm of building software is about working with people, connecting, building, thinking, just the general, yeah, the general feeling of coming together to solve a problem. Like for me, I hold that in high regards. But anyway, on to the next part of this. Then I just come up here, bring back those pages, right? Sure thing. So now we back to the second part of the whole presentation where I was covering another hackathon that I'd been doing, which is the taxi cash app the taxi cash app thingy I have over here. Where here on this hackathon, I was having to build, or here I say the main idea behind this app. We want to solve a big issue of implementing payment solutions within the taxi industry through the use of blockchain and the apps, also known as decentralized apps. So yeah, I didn't finish this, bro. I won't even lie to you, bro. It was insane. I got pretty far, and another experience that I cherish is like, bro, hackathons will test you not only as a developer but as a person because it's like how much can you put up with? I don't know if you guys have ever had to fix one issue for 5 days straight. Like one thing from the morning you wake up until you sleep because your project depends on that. For me, that was the front end. I was trying to make or work with Flutter because Flutter is primarily like easy to do. I tried it once in my life before, and I was like, this is cool. Tried it on this PC. I have two PCs, right? The old one, which like crashed every 20 minutes, and then the new one, which is this one, where I'm like making the content. But the first one, it works. The Flutter dependency actually works. Then come the new and updated PC is just, bruh, I have issues with this beast. But anyway, yeah, I just covered the whole concept. I think why I was also hungry is because the prize cash was around like 10K each, and I missed out on that, which hurts. But yeah, building requirements. So we are building a cash collection app that will best suit the necessary use cases for the taxi industry in order to build this application. So I'm just gonna like play the clip because I already like covered some of this, and I hope every time I go full screen, like it actually shows on the whole thing. And yeah, let's get back to that. That was right here. No, no, no. Come here. We're at about 1 minute
Yo,
37.
turn
Short.
down some of this audio.
Then play.
The thing is, people said they don't want me to put like music over my videos, and like I believe in ambiance, bro. Like I just need the vibes to be cool. You feel me? Just like whenever I take a break from talking, you can just like listen to the
Damn,
music.
I don't know if you guys heard the first part. Crazy.
But that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna be documenting my journey into like the whole hackathon. I'm doing a CELO hackathon, as you can see. Taxi Cash app hackathon with CELO. I mean, the main goal is to win. We always aim to win, right?
Fuck. It kills me to
But
this day because I'm a
let's just
big
move
person
into
who
it.
believes
Let's
in
see
like,
what's interesting
I'm a
about it.
person who believes
So
like
we gotta build a
heavily into
taxi
like
app,
don't do
and
something
for
without the
me,
intention of not
I
winning.
think it's just thinking about South Africa, how we have a lot of taxis and how to integrate a lot of blockchain technology. I'm not even familiar with blockchain, I won't even lie to you. But this is a great opportunity to learn about all of that, creating
I'm just
smart
gonna click
contracts,
a bit more into the video because
collecting
we
information.
just talked about this. Then I'm gonna come right over.
My school, it's not always about my schoolwork and stuff like that. This is a
Mr. Rory, why did you pause? Okay. Well, that was odd.
horrible mix.
Oh, sure, sure. Yeah,
Horrible
it
mix
was
of
the
music.
music.
Just
Let's
need
get into
something
it.
calm. But anyway,
Yeah, it's just documenting what's going on with me, what's going on with the hackathon, and just showing you the process of what it means to be a developer outside of school. Like for me, this is kind of like a side quest, like a different journey to just test my skills and test my strength and what I've learned, which is pretty cool. Uh,
You feel me?
Looking a bit messy, room is a bit messy, but it's real life. I think that's one thing I aim to do with this channel is just I understand that I'm a tutor, but before a tutor, I am a person. I am my own software developer, trying to make it big in the world of tech. Every time I meet with my friends on campus or like people who know that I've dropped this YouTube channel know that I aim to be like the next bro.
I aim to be the next bro code. But anyway, it cut right there. Okay, now into the fun stuff. Cool. Let's just pull up the okay, wrong page. Right on. Right. So, in regards to the whole process of building a blockchain application, right? So, anytime you're building an app, what you're focusing on are three components, which are the front end, or like what the user sees, the API connection. That's where we like get a little bit more juicy, a little bit more technical, you feel me? But all APIs are application programming interfaces. So like when I'm working with a Spring Boot project, right? I first have to install all the dependencies. The dependencies, like I don't know. A way I could define it for people who are not into IT right now is like, okay, they are programs on my system, right? But like, let's say you have an app that I want to use. I'm like, bring me a USB with that app. Then I'm gonna plug it in, and it's gonna work on my. Yeah, that's kind of like how it is. But application programming interfaces for us as software developers mean that we have other sets of software that we can then integrate into what we're currently working on, and then use it as it is in our not as it is in our app, but like use it in our app as if it was like a component of it. So the first introduction we had to this was Java database connectivity, where we were working with the Apache Derby dependency. Yeah, so we just injected that because what they're called are dependency injections. So we inject that into the POM file. I could show you what that looks like. Come into here, POM file, and then interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. I haven't set anything up in this one. I don't know why, which is disgusting. Um, Come in here. Should be something interesting. Beautiful. So we have time leaf, which is like a dependency that works with HTML front end things. I'm currently working on something. Currently working on something. And then we got dev tools, which like helps us automate a lot of things. And then starter test, which works with the servers. And then the Maven plugin, which is like for the Maven project. Yeah. And then another interesting thing I could show you is the front end. It's not even crazy. So HTML in a Java program. Interesting stuff. That was my first time experiencing such pleasure. Pause. But anyway, yeah, it's just knowing how to integrate front end. So I was gonna do this with Flutter, but that didn't work for me, right? So what I then worked on was creating the API connections. So as you can see here, I have a post mapping, which means it's almost like the functionalities of a database, right? Where we have create, read, update, and delete. For APIs, we have posts, we have requests, we have gets, and other etc. etc. So this post mapping just takes the user registration input and then posts it, puts it in to the thing so that the things can think. You feel me? Because this is a user registration, so you put in your name, put in your age, put in your surname, and then I collect that data, and then I go to the post mapping of this page, where then I come into the HTML page that I had open right now. Let me see if I can find it, and then collect all that data. Not in here. This is just the frame for the data, right? But that's the login, and then I come into the welcome page where I then collect your data through the post mapping because I posted it, and these are the identifiers: first name, last name. Then you go to the other one,
Uh, First name, last name. So I just display that. So it's like data collection, beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. And that's pretty much it for now. I need to get better at this. I love it. I love what I do. I love who I am. And this is just an extension of that. It's a bit messy, but if you know me in real life, you know I'm very sporadic, creative. Just this layout for me is what works. So that's what we doing. And I bid you adieu. And till next time, it's your boy.